Manipur News Reader gi maikaidigi video amta update tawjage ngasi fongbasi fongda India government rule of law satti tawningbata tawi Samarjit Manipur merger agreement haiba amana India da merger tawba yade masidi Indian masana semjin sajinba fake document ne India government rule of law satti tawningbata tawi haina government and exile gi Manipur State Council gi wangangloi narengbam Samarjit na khuyek piduna thadorakpa serol han asina haidi London da based tawduna lairiba Foreign Affairs and Defense ki Minister ni haizaba Narengmam Samarjit ki serol asina makhata na hai India asi kumza English singa sanipan yangkhai ga nipan da British da annex toraba matungda British India oibaga loinena British colony ama oire British India asi amuk colonize toraba matungda India Provincial Constitution Order 1947 gi section 150 and 155 da India gi territory asi ani thokna Indian Independent Act 1947 gi matung inna khaidok laga India Dominion of India aduga Pakistan Dominion of Pakistan haina siamle Dominion of India di India Empire of India gi part amo oina lehaure aduga Dominion of Pakistan di oidare hai riba Dominion asidi independent Dominion ni sovereignty oide maram asina state amo oidare kumza Englishing maga samapan nifuga teret ki August taraga mangada Indian sing independence phangle haibadi India masana semjaba government ama lingle amadi Indian singna masana laibak ngak pa hore adubu India masa singna masana laingak sarabasu British law gi makhada semba government ni haibadi Indian Independence Act 1947 amadi Indian Provincial Constitution Order 1947 gi makhada Indian government na India da rule tawbane maram asina ni government can sense and government can replaced by others haibasini haina supali sarol asin hai Indian Government Council of Ministers oiragasu executive authority di Indian government laite executive authority di matam aduda Lord Mountbatten Governor General na oiri Lord Mountbatten executive authority oibanina Mountbatten natan official oiba order amata atopa Indian government amadi Shiraja Gopalsari Governor General of the Dominion of India na order thokpa ngamde aduga yade Lord Mountbatten di Governor General oina His Majesty na order thoklaga hapane Mountbatten di Governor General of India su oi aduga Governor General of the Dominion of India su oi Mountbatten di His Majesty na representative ni aduga Shri Gopalsari na Governor General of the Dominion of India ne Shiraja Gopalsari Indian gi Legislative of Dominion of Law ama sem laga kumza English maga samapan nifuga nipan gi June kungani thoida Governor General of the Dominion of India oina hapne India gi transition period kumza English maga samapan nifuga teret ki August taraga manga digi hauraga kumza English maga samapan nifuga nipan gi March kunthraga mathoida loire kumza English maga samapan nifuga nipan gi March kunthra matoi gi matungda Mountbatten oirabasu Section 95 of Indian Independence Act 1947 gi makhada order amata thokpa yadre haina su makhata na phungdurakli Indian government haibadi government of India amadi Dominion government or central government order amata thokpa gi authority amadi power laite maram asina Joint Secretary to the Government of India Manipur Administration Order 1949 ama kumza English wa samapan nifuga mapan gi October taraga mangara thokliba asi illegal ni aduga Sri Raja Gopalsari na kumza English wa samapan yangkhai gi January kungani thoida thokliba Status Merger Chief Commissioner Provincial Order 1950 asisu illegal ni masigi order tholakpada Sri Raja Gopalsari na Governor General hairiba asi lali maramdi Sri Raja Gopalsari di Governor General of the Dominion India ni hairi Serol asina hai princely state rule Maharaja amatta na kumza English mga samapan ni Puteret ki August taraga mangagi mamangda instrument of accession amata sign tawraga Dominion of India asset to yadri maramdi suzerainty amadi paramountcy lands oidri haibadi India Independence Act 1947 or India Provincial Constitution Order 1947 operate tawdri amadi enforce India da tawdri Serol asina hai Manipur gi matang dadi Maharaja Buddha Chandra na sign tawba yadre maramdi Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 amadi Manipur State Administration Rules 1947 laiduna Manipur Constitutional Monarchy System introduce tawdre amasum Mountbatten's Governor General of Indiana Assent puti tawrame hairiba instrument of accession asidi India government ki miyoi sing mani maram asina Mountbatten hairamba ama lay madudi India asi sahi sama fana chatloi haina instrument of accession asina hairiba asidi India state amana India Empire of India thadok Dominion of India da asset to yare haibani instrument of accession asi India Empire of India ga sign taunabani maramdi Dominion of India di India Empire of India gi part ama oina lairi aduga state ama sunate maram asina external sovereignty India Empire of India na exercise tawe Dominion of India ga Manipur state ka contract ama ta inaba yade maramdi Dominion of India di state ama nate instrument of accession asidi state to state inaba instrument amani sign tauriba Maharaja aduga Mountbatten Governor General of India di head of the state oina sign taunabani maram asna Indian state amana kumja English simaga samapan nifu teret ki August 15 gi mamangda contract toba amadi sema ngamdri maramdi Indian Empire of India gi part ama oina lairi maram asina external sovereignty India Empire of India na exercise tawbani na Indian state na exercise tawba ngamde haibadi suzerainty lapse oidri serol asina hai Manipur Major Agreement haiba amana India da major tawba yade masidi Indian masana semjin sajinba fake document aikoina India da lairingai da Union Home Minister Manipur Major Agreement asi fake document amani haina official oina ikhrabani amadi mayek sengna khan khrabani fake document haibigi maramda British ki law satnariba Indian Independent Act 1947 aduga Indian Provisional Constitution Order 1947 gi matung inna Indian state amana India da major tawbo yabagi maram amata yade aduga major agreement ki ahoboda mari lainaba act natraga law aduga instrument of accession ga mari lainaba wafam preamble yawba amata idriba asine instrument of accession gi ahoba makokta ek amadi logo mari lainaba statement preamble iriba asine instrument of accession da yawriba agreement asidi major agreement nate madudi supplementary instrument amani British na political arrangement tawramada asigumba amata yaude Maharaja Buddha Chandra na Manipur Major Agreement sign tawba yadre maramdi Maharaja da leramba right power authority loina lebak miyam da pithokre masigi marik chumba warol sing adu Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 gi section ahum da mayek seng na iri hairiba section asigi makhada Manipur State democracy system lakhan bane aduga Maharaja Sutiltular King or Maharaja oiri bani hainasu makhatari Maharaja gi right power authority punamak limited oire maduga Dominion of India gi site gi sign tawriba asisu aran bani masidagi ni India na asauba problem asi laibane Major Agreement iriba power authority jurisdiction adu Maharaja da amata laitre Major Agreement executed tawdringere Manipur gi miyam da Maharaja Buddha Chandra na loina kre Indian government amadi Sri Rajagopalachari na contract natraga agreement amata sema ngambagi authority amadi power amata laite makhoi gi haibabu Dominion of India gi rule tawbagi di authority oi Mountbatten India asi sahi sama fana satlo herambagi maramdi Nehru na lusingba India government asina British ki logi wangmada aranba kaya tawkhibanani His Majesty na Mountbatten Governor General oina hapki hairiba Governor General asina Governor General of India su oi aduga Governor General of the Dominion of India su oi Mountbatten Governor General Executive Authority ama oina order thokpa ngamme Mountbatten Governor General ama oina kumja Englishim ga samapan nifuga nipan gi June kun ga mathoi fawa puramme London Gazette su mayek seng na takle haina su makhatari masigi matung Sri Rajagopalachari bu Governor General of the Dominion of India oina Dominion legislature na sema law na hapki India gi political transition kumja Englishim ga samapan nifuga teret ki August 15 dagi hauraga kumja Englishim ga samapan nifuga nipan ki March 13 ga mathoi dat loire Mountbatten su Governor General ama oina kumja Englishim ga samapan nifuga nipan gi March 13 ga mathoi gi matungda official order amada section 95 of the Indian Independence Act 1947 gi makhata na thokpa yadre adubo Sri Rajagopalachari da Governor General sunataba aduga executive authority sunataba amana kumja Englishim ga samapan yankhai gi January 19 da status measure chief commissioner provincial order 1950 thoktuna independent sovereign oiraba state Manipur state pu Indian da annex toxin ki haina sumana